Hi guys, Andy here. It is a snow day, and as such I want to move us forward in spite of the fact that we're not in class. So I have a little tutorial here quickly which has to do with film 453 assignment number 2, which is this job interview task, which section 1 has heard about, but section 2 and 3 you didn't hear about it, so I'm telling you now. This piece of paper will be up on Blackboard. And what I'm doing today is quickly showing you how to open up After Effects, get a video into a composition, and get into color finesse, because what you're going to do for your assignment is do a little tutorial with color finesse. You're going to learn how to, or teach us how to color correct. Anyway, the instructions are with the assignment. Let's just talk about After Effects. So I'm just going to go over to After Effects here. You'll open up After Effects, you'll get this dialog window. We'll just do a new composition, very simple. Your settings here, doesn't really matter for this exercise. I've just got 1280 by 720. I'll leave it at that. It could be 1920, 1080. Match it to what your clip is. Press OK. We're going to go up here to the left, Project. We're going to go down here. In this region, we're going to right-click. We are going to import a file. I will import a file from Snow Day today. Walking around in the snow. And so here it comes. And here is my clip I've just imported. I am now going to drag this clip down to here. This is create a new composition. So we just drag it down, drop it, and there's our composition in the window. If you want, you can drag your cursor or your playhead to a point where you want to explore your color correction. I'll just leave it there for now. What we're going to do is we're going to put an adjustment layer above me so that we can add a filter to it. We don't have to, but it's a nice clean way of working. So I'm going to right-click in this region here, and I'm going to do a new adjustment layer. Right-click down here, adjustment layer, and this is our adjustment layer right here, this purple bar. So we're going to lay our effect on top of this purple bar, or this purple track. We're going to go over here to Effects and Presets. If you don't have Effects and Presets up, go to your window, find it here, click on it, it will come up somewhere. In your Effects and Preset, we're going to search for Color Finesse, I think it's called, or Finesse Color. Color spelled with a, oh, there it is. It's called SA Color Finesse. It pops up right away. And because I have my adjustment layer active here, if I double click on SA Color Finesse, it will automatically be applied, or I can drag it to it. I'm just going to double click on it. And when I double click, if we come back over here to the left side, to our composition window of all the details of the layers, when I open up my adjustment layer, I can see that I have SA Color Finesse added. And then we go up here into the effects controls and we see Color Finesse 3, and we'll click on Full Interface. And this is SA Color Finesse 3. Real nice. It's got your scopes on the left. Top right is the result of what you're doing. Also shows you the source, and you can use a reference if you want. And then down the left here we have all of the different tools. Keep it simple. We can just use the HSL tools set at the top left, which includes your controls here. You could just stick with the master control, but try and use the hue offsets to adjust your whites, color, overall color balance. If some of you want to use curves and levels, you may. Different ways of doing things, whatever you're comfortable with. There's a great little manual here, View Color Finesse's User Guide. So check that out. Check out other resources, Color, Mac, textbooks, online, whatever. Use whatever material you want. Take screen grabs of this stuff. put it all together, adjust your color on your little clip, show us how to do it, keep it really simple, and we'll see you next week. Remember, you press OK when you're done, and you get your effect right there. If you want to turn your color effect on and off, you do it with the little eyeball down here on your adjustment layer. Anyway, have a great weekend. Hope you don't get caught in the snow too badly. We'll talk on Tuesday with groups 2 and 3. Talk to you soon.